Save thousands on your wholesale aluminum fence or any other pool fence from Aluminum Fences Direct by simply installing it yourself. Why pay thousands more to a fence company or an installer for your installation? Our aluminum fences come in pre-assembled sections with easy-to-read instructions in every order. Simply dig holes for the posts and pour the concrete. It's not rocket science. Send us a drawing with your dimensions for a complete material list. We also have aluminum fence gates and fence panels in residential and commercial grade options. Worried about your puppy escaping? Try our puppy fencing. All of our aluminum fences are powder coated and assembled right here in the USA. And speaking of the USA, we ship anywhere within the continental United States within 5 to 6 business days plus transit time. Send us an email with your drawing attached and we'll send a quote back within the hour. For more information on our aluminum fences, give us a call at 888-830-2219 or visit us online at aluminumfencesdirect.net.